Hello students, we are studying lesson number 5, expansion formula. In expansion formula we have seen total 6 formulae. Out of that 3 were from previous year and 3 we have studied in this academic year. First one is a plus b whole square. Its expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b whole square is similar to this, only here minus sign is there. Then a plus b into a minus b means terms are same, only sign is different. So its answer is a square minus b square. Then x plus a into x plus b. Here first term is same in both the brackets and second term is different. Then in such a case expansion is x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. And here there can be minus sign also in the question. Only for this formula we have seen till now. Next is a plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. मीन्स यहाँ जो ब्रैकेट में दोनों है उन दोनों का क्यूब आएगा फर्स्ट और लास्ट, एंड द मिडल टर्म्स विल बी हियर 3, हियर ऑल्सो 3. One time we will take a square, second time we will take b square. And minus formula is also same, only b cube is negative and a square term is negative, remaining two are positive. Now today we are going to see the last formula of this lesson, expansion of a plus b plus c whole square, means 3 terms square. Till now we have seen 2 terms square. a plus b square देखा है और a minus b square देखा है. अब हम देखेंगे a plus b plus c whole square. Now square means what? Whatever is the base that we have to multiply twice. So base is this full bracket a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c multiplied by a plus b plus c. Now this bracket we have to multiply with this bracket, but here there are 3 terms. So each term we will multiply with this bracket. A into bracket plus b into bracket plus c into bracket. Now in bracket also there are 3 terms. So a will be multiplied with each term, b will be multiplied with each term, and c also will be multiplied with each term. Now a into a square, a into b ab, a into c ac. Next b into a means ba, but alphabetically we will write as ab. Next b into b b square, b into c bc. Here again alphabetically a into c ac, c into b means bc, and c into c is c square. Now observe, here there is ab, here also ab. So this one ab and this one ab, total 2ab. Again ac ac 2ac, and next bc bc means bc plus bc 2bc, and these 3 terms as it is a square b square c square. So what is the final formula of a plus b plus c whole square? तीनों का स्क्वायर लेना है एडिशन में, उसके बाद पेयर लेना है ए बी फिर बी सी और फिर ए सी. 2ab 2bc plus 2ac. So this is the expansion formula for a plus b plus c whole square. Now here there can be a minus sign also. Either there can be one minus, दोनों में से कोई एक माइनस भी हो सकता है या फिर दोनों माइनस भी हो सकते हैं. ऐसे वक्त हम क्या करेंगे? We will take that term along with its sign. Okay. So let's see some solved example. First one is p plus q plus 3 whole cube. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला पहले तीनों टर्म्स का स्क्वायर पी स्क्वायर क्यू स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर, देन 2 पी क्यू, then 2 q into 3 and then 2 p into 3, 2p into 3. Now 3 square is 9, 2pq means 2pq only. Here 2 3s are 6q and here 2 3s are 6p. So this is the final answer. Now what is the difference between these two? Just we have arranged it in the descending power of p. p square plus q square plus 2pq plus 6q plus 6p and last is 9. सिर्फ टर्म्स को इधर उधर शिफ्ट किया है अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. नाउ द सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल. Fill in the boxes with appropriate terms in the steps of expansion. Now this is our A, this is our B and this is our C. So what is the formula? A square plus B square plus C square. A square plus B square plus C square means 4n bracket square plus 2AB 2p and 3m, 2 into 2p into 3m plus 2bc 2 into 3m into 4n plus 2ac a and c 2 into 2p into 4n, 2 into 2p into 4n. Now multiply. 2 square is 4 and p square is p square. 3 square 9, m square m square. 4 square 16, n square is n square. Then 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 pm, 12 pm. Next 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24 mn, 24 mn. This we are solving together multiplication and after that this 2 2s are 4, 4s are 16 pn, 16 pn is the answer. Now this one is little bit different that we will see afterwards. Now let's solve some examples based on this formula. So we will begin with practice set 5.4. The first question is 2p plus q plus 5 whole square. So let's begin. This is A, this is B, this is C. So a square plus b square plus c square means 2p square plus q square plus 5 square plus 2ab 2 into a into b plus 2bc bc 2 into b into c plus 2ac 2 into 2p into 5. Now simplify it. Simplify. So what we will get? 2 square is 4, p square is p square plus q square plus 5 square 25 plus 2 2s are 4 pq plus 2 5s are 10 q plus 2 into 2 4 5s are 20. So 20 p. Now just arrange it in proper order. If you don't arrange then also this answer is correct. This much 4p square plus q square plus 4pq plus 10q plus 20p plus 25. 25 को सिर्फ लास्ट में लिखेंगे because constants are generally written at the last. So second question now. m plus 2n plus 3r whole square. Here a is m, b is 2n and c is 3r. So formula, first take square of all the three terms, m square plus 2n square plus 3r square, then plus 2ab, ab 2 into m into 2n plus 2bc, ab, bc and ac. So bc means 2 into 2n into 3r plus 2 ac, m into 3r. Now simplify. So m square is m square only plus 2 square 4, n square n square, so 4 n square plus 3 square 9 r square plus 2 2s are 4 mn, 4 mn plus 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 nr plus 2 3s are 6 mr. So this is our final answer. M square plus 4n square plus 9r square plus 4mn plus 12nr plus 6 mr. Now the third one. Question is 3x plus 4y minus 5p whole square. Now here a is 3x, b is 4y and formula is there for plus, but here it is minus. So minus 5p will be your c. Okay, minus 5p will be c. So formula is a square means 3x square plus 4y square plus negative 5p square. c की जगह क्या है? negative 5p. remember this. so जहाँ जहाँ c होगा वहाँ वहाँ हम लिखेंगे negative 5p plus 2ab means 2 into 3x into 4y plus 2bc 2 into 4y into negative 5p plus 2ac means 2 into 3x into negative 5p. Okay, now simplify. 3 square 9 x square plus 4 square 16 y square is y square plus negative 5 square is positive 25 because negative into negative is positive 25p square plus 2 3s are 6 4s are 24xy minus y minus positive into negative will be negative. So 2 4s are 8 5s are 40 yp. So instead of yp we will write py alphabetical order and minus y minus again negative positive multiplication is negative. 2 3s are 6 5s are 30 px. xp भी लिख सकते हैं या फिर px भी लिख सकते हैं. So this is our final answer. Now the last one of question number 1, fourth one. 7m minus 3n minus 4k whole square. So here two negative signs are there. This is a, this is b. Negative 3n is b and negative 4k is c. Understood? A is 7m, b is negative 3n and c is negative 4k. So what is the formula? First take square of all the three. So 7m square plus negative 3n square plus negative 4k square. Then 2ab, 2 into 7m into negative 3n plus 2bc, 2 into negative 3n into negative 4k plus 2 into AC 7m and negative 4k. Now simplify. 7 square 49, m square is m square plus negative 3 square is positive 9, n square is n square plus negative 4 square 16, k square plus negative into positive negative, so 2 sevens are 14 and 14 threes are 42, so it will be negative 42 mn here plus negative into negative positive, 2 threes are 6 fours are 24 nk minus this one minus and positive, 4 sevens are 28 and 28 into 2 is 56 mk or km alphabetically. So let's arrange it properly. 49 m square plus 9 n square plus 16 k square plus minus minus 42 mn plus 24 kn, nk की जगह क्या लिखा, kn for alphabetical order, minus 56 km. Understood? So this is the fourth question. Now let's begin with question number 2. Now in question 2, the examples are of the form that we have seen yesterday. So what we have to do here, two trinomials are combined and we have to do addition in this example. First, so for that we will find the answer of this bracket, then we will find the answer of this bracket, and then we will add both the answers. So first let's solve this bracket. X minus 2y plus 3 whole square. This will be, here a is x, c is 3 and b is negative 2y. So first take square of all the three, x square plus negative 2y square plus 3 square. Then plus 2ab, 2 into x into negative 2y plus 2bc, 2 into negative 2y into 3 plus 2ac, 2 into x into 3. Now simplify. X square plus 2 square is 4, negative रहेगा तो भी 4, y square is y square plus 9 plus 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 xy and negative, so 4 xy plus this will be also negative, plus minus minus, 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 y and 2 3s are 6 x. Now we will solve the second bracket. X plus 2y minus 3 whole square. This is the answer of x minus 2y plus 3. So terms will be similar only there will be the difference of sign. So first three terms will be same only, because negative हो या पॉजिटिव, स्क्वायर लेने के बाद तो सभी पॉजिटिव आ जाते हैं. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4y square plus 9, these three will be same. Now this also will be same, only difference of sign will be there, 4xy, 12y and 6x. So what will be the sign over here for 4xy? 4xy is 2 into A into B, 2 into A into B. So A is also positive, B is also positive. That's why this also positive. Then 2BC. So 1 positive, 1 negative. So here will be minus sign. And 2AC. A positive, C negative. So here will be a negative sign. Now we have to add the brackets. So this bracket answer is this and this bracket answer is this. So first bracket we will write first. X square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x. Then below that second bracket answer. And addition is there between both of them. So x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. Because of addition, the sign does not change. Now x square plus x square, 2x square. 4 plus 4, 8. So plus 8y square. Then plus 9 plus 9, 18. Then this will get cancelled because opposite are there. This will also get cancelled. Negative 12 minus 12, negative 24y. So this is our final answer of x minus 2y plus 3 whole square plus x plus 2y minus 3 whole square. Answer is 2x square plus 8y square minus 24y plus 18. प्लस 18 बाद में लिखा, माइनस 24y पहले लिखा. Now the second one. Second question is 3k minus 4r minus 2m whole square minus 3k plus 4r minus 2m whole square. So let's start the first bracket. 3k minus 4r minus 2m होल स्क्वायर. सबसे पहले तीनों का स्क्वायर, 3k स्क्वायर प्लस निगेटिव 4r स्क्वायर प्लस निगेटिव 2m स्क्वायर प्लस 2 इंटू 3k इंटू निगेटिव 4r प्लस 2 इंटू निगेटिव 4r इंटू निगेटिव 2m प्लस 2 इंटू 3k इंटू निगेटिव 2m. Now simplify. 3k square means 9k square plus 16r square plus 2 square 4m square minus 2 3s are 6 4s are 24 plus into minus minus 24r plus y plus because negative into negative positive 2 4s are 8 2s are 16 mr plus या minus 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 into plus minus 2 3s are 6 2s are 12 km. So this is the answer of 3k minus 4r minus 2m whole square. Now the second bracket. First three terms will be same, so copy down. Then these terms will be same, only the difference of sign will be there. Here this is for 2ab, a and b are positive, सो प्लस साइन. देन टू BC, एक पॉजिटिव एक निगेटिव, तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होगा निगेटिव. एंड देन AC, पॉजिटिव निगेटिव, सो माइनस साइन. नाउ वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस ब्रैकेट फ्रॉम दिस ब्रैकेट. सो पहले इसका आंसर लिखेंगे माइनस इसका आंसर. सो 9k स्क्वायर प्लस 16r स्क्वायर प्लस 4m स्क्वायर minus 24r plus 16mr minus 12km. Then this answer. Now subtraction is there between both. Because of minus, sign of each term will change. This will become minus, 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 plus and plus. Now subtract it. 9k square minus 9k square 0. 16r square minus 16r square 0. This also 0. Negative 24 minus 24. Negative 48r. 16 plus 16, 32 mr, and this will get cancelled. So the answer is 32 mr minus 48 r. Sorry, here it is kr. So write down here k everywhere. Kr, 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 and here also kr. So therefore, write down the original question. 3k minus 4r minus 2m whole square minus 3k plus 4r minus 2m whole square. Answer is 32 mr minus 48 kr. So in this way you have to solve question number 2, and third one is your homework. Understood? Thank you.